Top 6 Advantages of Windows 10 over older operating systems. Windows 10 was made available in 2015. From here on out, it has turned the most stars zilches across the globe. This pervasiveness is a result of the various advantages the zilches offers over other working shells. In this subject, we will unsettle the 6 advantages of this functioning shell. Peruse on to find further. 1. The addition of the Start menu. The almost adored Start menu was joined again in Windows 10. In Windows 8, this component was barred, which jabbed up most supporters. Strangely, the new OS goes with an Essence menu that licenses you to get to your main undertakings with a cusp of the mouse. This is perhaps the most basic yet the most supportive extension to the new OS thusly. 2. System updates. Naturally, shell updates can prop you with picking how long you can work as zilches. For the test, you can buy and buy don't get Invigorates for Windows XP and Windows Vista from the Power Spot of Microsoft. The equal is legitimate about Windows 7 and 8, all characters considered. With the terminal part of